Hello, everybody. It is April 16th, and we are wrapping up the Transformations chapter today. This chapter has been a little bit of a challenge to learn digitally because of all its graphing, and figuring out the best way to kind of finish up this chapter has been a challenge as well. So we're going to kind of make it like a quick little test that is over a Google Slides presentation. So your job today is to wrap up that chapter by completing the Transformations test that is posted to Google Classroom. That test is a Google Slides presentation. It has 7 slides, and on the slides, I show you a graph, and you are to complete the transformation. So, for example, when you pull up the slides, there is a slides for translation, there is one for reflection, there is one for rotation, and there is one for dilation. A couple of those have a couple extra ones depending on the different types. You will go to each slide. It will give you a graph and it will have directions. So for example, for the translation slide, it wants you to translate the figure using the given rule. It gives you the coordinates of x comma y, and you want to change it to x plus y and y minus 3. And you are going to take that pre-image and graph the image. So you will graph those on Google Slides. How will you go about graphing those? Well, off to the right-hand side or at the bottom, I have already made a couple of shapes that you can just drag over onto the graph. I have circles and I have the labels. You will drag those over and attach it to the coordinate that's on its image. Then once you are complete, once you have those coordinates and those labels in the right place for your image, you will take the lines function up at the top and you will connect your dots to finish up the shape. I know graphing on Google Slides and graphing in general digitally is a challenge, and it's something we're just going to have to work through. I am not expecting perfection, but I am expecting for you to get the coordinates and the labels to the right area. So using those circles that I've provided you, drag those over to the crosshairs of where that coordinate should be. And you are going to complete, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 graphs. Okay? So you are going to be showing transformations for translations, for reflections, for rotation, and dilation. If you have any questions while you're going through and completing this assignment, please let me know. I am here to help, and this is going to be due by Sunday at midnight. So this test is going to be assigned for Thursday and Friday. So you have 2 days plus the weekend to work on it if you need it. If you have any questions while you're completing the test, please let me know. I am here to help. Good luck, guys.